Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolutely fantastic Land Rover Series 1 that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Series 1. All light, ignition light come on as they should. Hopefully you can see those. Press the starter button and it settles down to a nice idle. We've just been out for a run, so it is a bit warm at the moment. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we are under the bonnet of this Series 1. Just chugging away nicely at idle. Quite warm. Just been out for a run, but it's just doing what it's supposed to do. Next up, we're here driving. Hi, right, now we're out in this really rather lovely Land Rover Series 1. I'll close my window a bit. There will be rattles and stuff like that because it's, it is a Series 1 Land Rover, but it's absolutely fantastic. Showing, I think that's 94,000 miles, obviously been completely restored, but drives absolutely beautifully, it really does. Lovely steering on it. Normally these are the steering's either heavy or wandery or both. This is actually really pretty good. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It's got the proper 2-litre engine in it, and frankly, I'm struggling to fault it. I struggle to fault it doing the walk around video, and I'm doing the same with the driving video. It's absolutely spot on. All the instruments are working. Speedo isn't flickering about hardly at all. Pretty good. Ammeter, fuel gauge, and we've also got the water temperature gauge and an oil pressure gauge as well. This one's also got the original semaphore trafficators on, which I really like. But yeah, it's a super little thing, it really is. If you're not used to these, they can be a slightly acquired taste to drive, but they're as basic as they come. What does help this one is that it's running on the correct 600/16 tyres, which always helps them. We're just trundling along really quite happily. We're doing just under 40 miles an hour at the minute. It will go a bit faster, but that's really where they feel quite comfortable. It's riding nicely. There's no sort of crashing and banging through the suspension. It's just getting on with it. Much better than many. This is probably, I think this is one of the nicest series models I've either had through my hands, but certainly B in terms of the way it drives. Certainly we're talking about series ones. Gearbox has got the proper gearbox with no synchro on first or second. You hardly ever use first or second anyway, so it's not really an issue. But if you do launch them, they're stronger than you are. It's not a problem. Got the indicators on. Don't bother with the trafficators. We'll do a sharp turn here. Hopefully this will go around into third. And now braking wise, pulls up nice and cleanly, no problems there at all. Into second, and round we go. And yeah, just absolutely spot on. Can't stress how good this one is. Going to be cheap, but you do get what you pay for. Turn right again, braking again, absolutely fine. Fine second, there we are. There we go. So I think really there we have it. There's not much more I can tell you about it, apart from it's brilliant. It really is. If you're looking for a fully sorted series, especially Series 1, I'd like to think this one will fit the bill because I think it's really, really good. Anyway, my name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.